In today's video, I'll teach you how to disable Windows Defender in Windows 11 or 10. So if you want to disable the Windows Defender, it is actually very simple. For that, first of all, you need to go to the settings. In order to do that, click on the start icon that you can see at bottom. Now what you have to do is click on the settings option that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here settings will be opened. You'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is find this option for update and security that you can see on the screen. After you do that, click on it. Right now I'm using the Windows 10, but the process is similar for the Windows 11 too. Some of the options might be different, but the process is same. So what you have to do is simply look at left and find this option for Windows security. What you have to do is click on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to access the settings related with Windows security over here. Under the section for protection areas, you'll be able to find this option for virus and threat protection. So what you have to do is click on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to access the settings related with virus and threat protection over here. Over here, you'll be able to find this option for virus and threat protection settings. Right over here, you can see this option for manage settings. So what you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be able to manage the settings of virus and threat protection. So if you want to disable the Windows Defender, simply toggle off this button for real-time protection. After you do that, the real-time protection will be toggled off. That means now Windows Defender has been disabled. So that is how you disable Windows Defender in Windows 11 or 10. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.